Welcome back to The X Factor. With record numbers coming through our doors this year, there's one person who's captured everyone's imagination.
I saw Dami Im on X Factor last year and she motivated me to come give it a shot.
I think Dami Im is amazing.
I think she's the best singer that ever, performed all X Factor.
And our next contestant, K-pop loving Erin, is Dami Im's biggest fan of all.
My name's Erin, I'm 15 years old, I'm a high school student and I'm from Sydney. I love K-pop a lot, Girls' Generation, EXO, Bang. Yeah, I want to be next. It's lemon and honey, good for the throat.
Inspired so much by her hero, Erin is our only auditionee brave enough to take on the monster ballad that secured Dami the winner's title. What song are you going to sing today?
And I'm Telling You by Jennifer Hudson.
Oh wow, big song.
I'm nervous because there's a lot of big notes and that's the scariest part. I hope my voice stands out. I think it'll be tough for me, but I will do my best. I feel like I might step up on stage and I don't want to disappoint.
Deep breath. Just remember, have fun, okay?
Let's bring out our party contestants, let's go!
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name's Erin Miranda.
How old are you, Erin?
I'm 15.
15. Are you a good singer?
I hope I am.
So I've got Erin's mum, dad, little sister,
Best friend.
and best friend.
Have you had any performing experience?
I performed at school.
And you loved it?
Oh, I love performing. I love the stage.
Do you think this could feel like home for you on this stage?
I think so.
Yeah? You like all the lights?
I love
all the
it.
audience? What are you going to sing?
And I'm Telling You by Jennifer Hudson.
Whoa! Dami sang that last year. Is that why she's singing it this year? Wow. Okay.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. The next few minutes is really important. Could change your life. Okay.
Okay.
15.
Good luck, Erin.
Thank you.
And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, no, there's no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. And you're gonna love me, baby. And I am
Erin, can you take that all in? The reaction?
I don't think so.
No? Wow. When you said, oh, yeah, this could feel comfortable for me on the stage, and then before the music started, I thought, oh, she's not comfortable. I'm so nervous about this. Wow, what a performance.
Thank you so much.
$15 and a singing machine. I'm too excited.
That music started and you were like, you got your Sasha Fierce going on, honey. You're like, this is me now. Check it out, and I cannot wait to see what you do next. That is...
Scream and shout.
Scream it out.
Erin, I get a really hard time from these three because I'm the realist on the panel. You know, I have to be, because we're looking for an international superstar here at the X Factor. Somebody who can sell records all around the world. And I think we just found one. Erin, beautiful, brilliant. Thank you for coming to the X Factor. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to vote to see if you make it through to boot camp. I'm excited. It's a big yes from me.
Thank you.
They are gonna love you. It's a yes from me.
It's a yes!
All right, see if you can get 4.
It's a hell yes from me. Well done. That's a dummy in moment right there.
It was.
That control at 15.
Brain!
See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for. Yes!
How did that feel?
Oh, it was really good.
Yeah?
I'm so happy.
Your friend is so happy. She's got tears in her eyes.
Oh, she's